What's up, folks? Hope you like that little run. Just wanted to check in and say hi and remind everyone to stay connected with one another. Social distancing is a thing of the past. It's all about physical distancing, so reach out to friends, family, colleagues, whatever it may be, and just share a bad joke or a great memory. Who knows? But you got to stay positive during all this, and remember to stay safe, and I hope everyone in your life is doing well, healthy and happy. So yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Peace.